The next step after getting the phone number is texting. There are four types of messages that you can receive. If you're new here, my name is Luca and I'm one of the world's leading experts about approaching girls in the daytime. Since 2018 I've helped over 1200 men sleeping with new girls approached in the daytime. I started teaching it only in Italy in 2018 and then also internationally from 2022. Let's start from the worst. The worst is silence. So when the girl she's not answering to you. The second one is when the girl she's testing you, not texting. Testing you, testing you. The third one is just normal conversation, and the fourth type of text that you can receive is indicator of interest. And the principle behind the conversation when you're texting with a girl is when you're getting a few indicator of interest, you have to invite the girl for a date. Okay, so silence, for example, what to do when she's not answering to you is you can send something that it's funny, to not something that will not ask a question. It depends. Now I will give you a few examples. You can also use a picture. You can use something about the conversation that you had in person. Okay, you can mix those four ingredients to make the conversation start again if she's not if she stopped replying to you. So let's say, for example, I don't know, she likes a lot to go on the beach, to take the sun on the beach. She likes to go on vacation on the sea, and you can say something about, I don't know, you can download a picture from Google about a very cool and beautiful scenario about the sea, a very interesting beach. And you can send this picture to the girl and saying, I just saw this advertisement on Facebook. Have you ever been in this beach on Hawaii? I don't know. It's just an example. And by the fact it's something visual, it's a photo, it's something about her passions. Okay, so you don't have to copy and paste. Okay? You have to understand the principle behind. She will start texting you back. Okay, so this is just an example on what to do when she's not answering anymore. When she's testing you, for example, I don't know, she's asking, how many girls you already texted this thing. Examples of indicator of interest are emoji when she's laughing, haha, when she's texting you long messages, when she's asking you questions, but I would say it's just a positive thing, it's not an indicator of interest. So when she's making you a compliment, so those are examples of indicator of interest. When you get 1, 2, 3 indicator of interest, you start inviting the girl for the date. And then also about the invitation, there are different types of invitations. There is the direct invitation, then there is the hypothetical invitation. So if you want to learn everything from the opening line to the bedroom with new girls approached in the daytime, click the link in the description below and join my From the Approach to the Bedroom program, which also includes my lifetime support. If you have any questions, you can schedule a free call by always using the link in the description.